Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all of our camera gear that we take on our trip around Australia. So I hope you enjoy. Everything is going to be linked below. If you like anything that we've got here, click on the link below. Next we've got our Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal. So this helps stabilize any of our phone when we put our phone in here, or if we put our adapter in here with our GoPro on it. We can get any film and it just stabilizes it, and it's really handy to have whilst we're on the road trying to take good footage of everything. We both have an iPhone 11. I've got the Max and Dane's just got the General Pro one, which I think is just a little bit smaller. So it's got the 3 cameras on there, which is really good. It's good for any beginner photographer or just somebody who wants to get nice photos. Also, I use the Canon 800D, which is my main photo camera. So with that, on the 800D, I use the 10 to 18mm lens. It's just a Canon lens. We're recording on the M50, so it's a Canon M50, so it's great for vlogging. We've got a shotgun microphone on it, which is a Rode. So the lenses that we use, I've got 16mm Sigma, so that's great for all different kinds of photography. And I've got the 18 to 55mm, which is a Canon, and I've also got the 15 to 45mm, and we use the GoPro 7, so it's GoPro 7 Black, and that's great for any underwater shots or just vlogging like this. If you don't want to go out and spend it, like buy an expensive camera like the Canon M50, definitely just use the GoPro. We've got the 7 Black, which you don't need to buy something that expensive. I think the 8's the newest one out, but you can get just a GoPro and they're great to use. With the GoPro, we've got a little handheld, so we can basically stand back and take a photo instead of like putting on self-timer. We can just click the little button here so no one can tell that we're running up to a camera trying to take a photo. And we've got some spare batteries, and we've got a couple of different stands here. So we've actually got the Manfrotto one, which the camera's on now that we're recording on, and just these 2 little ones. This can go around the bull bar. This I basically use for any vlogging, so I'm holding it out here just vlogging, which is great. Just gives me a little bit more of a stable hand. For our laptop, we've got an Apple Mac Pro 2017. It's just a 13-inch, 250GB. So for any extra storage, we use the hard drives. So one we've got is a 1TB, and the other one's a 2TB. So we've got plenty of storage, and we'll probably get some more before we go as well. On the computer, we use Lightroom CC for any editing of our photos, and then we also use Final Cut Pro and iMovie for editing our videos. So I'll edit with probably Final Cut Pro on this video. And this is a little adapter that you put all your USBs and everything into your computer. So that goes into the computer, and you put your USBs or camera SD cards into here. Yeah, so with the drone, we got the Fly More kit. So it's got extra batteries with it, which is great because they've got 27 minutes of flying time. And this is a little remote. You plug your phone in the bottom here, and we can just record, do any kind of, I think we can fly this up to 7 kilometers away, which is pretty amazing. We never really do because obviously invasion of privacy and all that kind of stuff. So this is a great buy, but you've got to remember when traveling Australia, you actually can't use them in a lot of places because national parks don't allow you to use them. So just be careful when you are buying them, because there are rules and regs when traveling around Australia about drones. A lot of people do not like drones. And I think that's about it for all of our camera gear. I hope that helps, guys.